it's your boy TK here, back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm in the Chevrolet Corvette, but I'm in a C7 Stingray. And thanks to my good buddy Zander for letting me take an opportunity to take this out for a spin tonight.
I told you it'd spin.
I barely got into
I
it,
know.
as you can see.
First gear is useless.
C7 Corvettes are awesome,
Aren't they?
but I love Corvettes in general, but something about these C7s, man, they special. Like, this was like GM's turning point right here. Real talk.
Yeah.
This was their turning point. And of course, you already know the mid-engine C8 is out. That's on a whole different level. But this right here, when it comes to man transmission Corvettes, this was it. Like, final hurrah.
Yeah.
So I give praise for GM for that. No question about it. You did?
Yeah. Merging onto an interstate, going about 111, I think, or something like that. Flying. Awesome Grand Tour. That was perfect right there. 0.8 on those corners.
Yep. That's what I say. I almost hit a G. Yo, Zander, thank you for letting me draw your C7 Stingray tonight. I enjoyed every attribute of the car, especially it being a 7-speed manual Corvette, and obviously being the final front engine rear wheel drive Corvette ever, even though the C8 is out. But it's not like having a manual transmission Corvette. You can't beat it. That's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.